I wanted to talk to you a little bit about getting your project started and filling out your site leadership form. So when you're filling out that form, you'll want to take a glance at it before you start talking to your site. Use it as like an interview template. So you'll want to make sure that you're asking about the parking, where the project will be taking place, whether it's indoors, outdoors. You'll want to make sure you cover everything there. A weather plan, if it is an outdoor project, you'll want to make sure that you have a backup plan. Another thing you'll want to make sure of is that you are making sure that you are able to take photos. You're asking about that, any video coverage. You'll want to make sure. Some of these foundations and facilities, they have a lot of strict privacy rules. So you want to make sure that we're asking about that as well, because those are all important questions for working with your site liaison. I would suggest always setting up either a Zoom call or Teams meeting, video call, or if you're able to meet them in person, that's even better. You'll want to make sure that you start your project in plenty of time planning wise. You'll just want to allow yourself, I always started about a month or so ahead of time if I could, for global days of service, just so that you're able to make sure who your liaison would be at the site, and then get those details started and get a date set.